Hey, Dad, when I was a kid, you said that when I grew up, I was going to do something great.
Yes, but now I'm telling you that you should forget about great and settle for getting any job.
I should have nudged you out of the nest a long time ago.
Baby birds get a nudge. Giant birds who never leave, they get shoved.